Jesus Christ. It's going to be fun hitting the trails in this fucking thing. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and y'all have been riding my ass. TK, you don't ever take the truck off-road. TK, you haven't done any truck things. What happened to truck things? I remember you used to do all kinds of dumb shit in the truck. What happened to truck things? Well, today, ladies and gentlemen, truck things. Now, there are some off-road trails and things of that nature that you can go on, and I'm going to do that probably as well. But today, I'm just going to have some fun, and I'm just going to see how she handles in your everyday, normal stuff. Am I in the wrong thing? I am in the wrong thing, huh? Yeah. Shit. Ooh. Alright, I think we're in a much better area. So we're out here in an area that they call Red Rock. You guys have seen some of the iconic photos I took with the Green Monster back in the day here. Some of the videos I shot with it out here. And it's also some decent Bureau of Land Management area that I can go drive this truck on. And I don't want to push it to its limits. We're just gonna, you know, have a little fun with her and see what happens. Put her in four-wheel drive mode and drive a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Woo! Just a little light thing. I wanted to get a good thumbnail picture, so I took her a little off-road here. Woo! Jesus Christ. It's going to be fun hitting the trails in this fucking thing. I tell you right now. Ah, yeah. Get it, girl. Let's go. Get back on pavement here for a minute. Ah. If it looks really green out here, it's because, you know, obviously if you haven't watched the news, we've had a lot of rain here recently. And that will actually, that'll do it. That'll cause you to have green stuff growing out here. Just gotta find us a good little area here to cut off. I'm looking for one of these open trails. Sometimes I have these trails that are open that you can just drive down. Okay, this is the kind of shit that pisses me off, right? Now, I'm willing to come out here and pay to be here, right? And I will say, you know what? I was like, let me spend some money with the state of Nevada and go to the state park, right? Let me try to spend some money with the state instead of giving it to the feds, so I can get a couple of photos and do my thing with the truck, right? And we're at Spring Mountain Ranch State Park. And can you fucking believe this shit? I get there, you know, pay my little entry fee and shit. You can't film or take photos at the state park unless you pay for a permit. Get the fuck out of here. What the fuck do you mean I gotta pay for a permit to take pictures of my own fucking car while I'm here? What the fuck in the Steve Sisolak Mickey Mouse bullshit is that? And they wonder why nobody wants to spend money with the state out here, right? Why everybody goes to BLM, Bureau of Land Management property, or, you know, does that, and their state parks are fucking dying. That kind of shit. Like, we have no problem. I had no problem paying a little $10 to get in, right? Cool. But when you approach me and then tell me I can't take photos while I'm there, yo, get the fuck out of my face. Are you fucking kidding me? You can't take pictures of your own car at a state park. What kind of bullshit is that? That's crazy. That shit has me, and I know you're going, TK, it's not that serious, but it is. This is the kind of like bullshit, ultra dumb ass, retarded law, ordinance, whatever the fuck you want to call it, shit is. That's just extra fucking stupid. So, and I'm always going to say it's extra stupid. You have to pay for a permit to take a picture of your own car on state property. Suck a dick. Fuck out of here. Dumb. Alright, now that I'm done being aggravated, pissed off, and mad. That just is so dumb, though. Who makes you pay? Who makes you pay for a permit to take a picture of your own car? Are you shitting me? Oh my God. Oh man. Wow. I hope whoever's running, what is it, Joe Lombardo? I hope whoever it is that's running against Steve Sisolak, like, uses this as an ad. Because that shit doesn't make any sense, man. It doesn't make any sense. Why? Why? Alright, back to our regularly scheduled. Let's go back and have some fun, man. Oh, I get there to, like, film and get in, and then they're like, the guy's like, yeah, man, you can't actually film or take pictures here unless you have a permit. Say what? Oh, no wonder nobody knows who you are on social media, or nobody posts shit on social media, because I'm sure no one's paying you thousands of dollars for a permit to take a picture of their family or their friggin' car. Oh my God. Tell me you are a dumbass without telling me you're a dumbass. That's like the dumbest ass thing ever in the state of Nevada, man. Let me tell you. We're out here in Blue Diamond. This road almost feels like it's off-road. Welcome to Blue Diamond. Little rinky-dink town out here in Nevada. Nevada. I don't know. I've been yelled at. My homeboy Mike says it's Nevada. And now I've had somebody else that's lived here for like 20 years tell me it's Nevada. I'm kind of like, elevation high, population low. I like that. This is cool, man. Cool little ass town. I wonder if the little mayor, if I told the mayor, hey, I'm trying to tear up some trails. You got some trails out here? You got some trails out here I could drive this truck on? You got some trails out here I could drive this truck on, son? I'm trying to break this truck in, man. Can I break this truck in out here, man? Oh, look, they got a library. Jeez. They got a whole situation going on out here. Wow. Wow. Yeah, see, you can tell. And then the people with money decided to start moving in. Out here in the boonies. Uh-oh, look at the FedEx truck going off-road. He rock climbing. Getting more sketchy by the second. Here we go. This is a cool little town, man. See, they got a house out here for sale. Like, I guarantee you, everybody knows everybody in this little town. Everybody knows everybody in this town. You can best believe that. Whoa, she's a little rocky and rolly out here. Look at these roads. That's like driving in Rhode Island. Oh. This goes through? Oh, let's go. Flash flood area. Here we go. Boop. She doesn't handle too bad out here off-road. Not too bad at all. Oh, Jesus Christ. What I don't want to catch is any of these sharp rocks and break my damn, pop one of my tires or something. But she handles pretty good out here, man. Look at that. And you're kind of in. Once you're in, you're in. There ain't no turning around or nothing. You just got to go. Oh. There's a little turning area. It's a nice little area out here, though. Rocks and stuff everywhere. Mountains. Oh. And this is just a very short trail, but I just wanted to see what her capabilities were, because I don't see a 4 low on this. So I wanted to see traction control off. Cool. I wanted to see what her capability was. And I think what we'll do is we'll take her out to like Overton and take her out on one of those 1.5 hour or 2 hour trails and see what she's capable of at that point. There she is. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh, don't get stuck. You're in 4-wheel drive. I ain't trying to hear that. She was getting loose. There she is, back on pavement. 2-wheel drive. Drop that. Select 4 high, 4 terrain mode. Alright, there we go. We are in the building. Well, not bad. Not bad. So just a quick bonus video for you guys today with the truck. Now that I know, you know, that trail is not super hard. We're going to go a little bit down here. If I find something else, I might add something else to the video. But that little trail there, which is like 1/4 mile, whatever it is, there's a lot of rocks, dips, and stuff in it. She just ate it. No problem. So I think this thing is going to be fine. Really taking her on one of these off-road trails and seeing just what the capability is of this truck. I have a feeling that it's going to be pretty, I think it's going to do pretty good. I think it's going to do pretty good off-road, so we'll have to see. We'll take her out and see what she's actually capable of, and not some of the super high descent or descents. You know, it's not like she's got off-road tires yet, but we'll see how it handles. It's just like a regular everyday truck on one of these trails and go from there. Just running through these couple of trails though around here out by Red Rock. I mean, she's bouncy. It's a truck. I mean, I expected to do that, but like the alignment's not bad now. I'm back out on the road. She's still driving straight. That's what I like about it. This is what makes me want to have like a truck full time again. I love the BMW. I love the Petty Roosevelt. I'll probably never get rid of that car, but I'd still want a truck, you know. And I know you got the Aspen. You got 3 Aspens. Yeah, that's not really a truck though. That's not really a truck. I think I need to get another, you know, with the Rams, you know, gone and totaled. And then, you know, we fixed the one Ram and then it's gone. We sold the other one. It's time for me to get another truck. I got to figure out what it is that I want, and we'll go from there. I'm not going to lie, this Silverado has its little quirks and issues and stuff, and I'm getting used to them. She actually drives pretty damn good. I mean, honestly. Taking this thing off-road, oh, she just eats. She just eats. Let's park for a second. She just eats this stuff, man. And like this loose gravel, whatever, she just eats it. So, overall capability for like rough terrain and stuff, yeah, I think this thing can handle it. Be interesting to see how she does. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I know we had a lot of just driving around and stuff out here before I could find a good trail. And that one good trail didn't last exceptionally long, but I had a blast with it. I really did. This was actually really fun. So I think we'll take one of the upcoming next videos you guys are going to see. We'll take this thing out and actually take it off one of the off-road trails, because most of the trails for like ATVs and the dunes and stuff are like an hour and a half out of town. So, but I'm down to do it. So we'll do it. Let's go ahead and get it in and see what we're able to do. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and catch you guys on the next one.